Hi guys, you're probably wondering why the hell I'm showing you this empty folder. Well, you can thanks Camtasia for that. I have a problem which I couldn't solve. I couldn't find solution anywhere in the internet. The problem is pretty annoying. I've been having it for a really long time, but just lately started bothering me. What the problem is, well, I am filming, editing video in Camtasia, then I spent a few hours rendering it, and in the end there is no freaking file. But when I open it, opens the browser with the actual file, and that file, it is actually the whole thing. It's fine and dandy, it is with the right resolution, it's completely fine, there is nothing wrong with it. But I just don't see it in the folder. And the worst thing is that it makes two folders, and they're both empty. So, I found a solution. Well, it's not a solution, it's more like a cheat. What you can do to actually fix it? Well, get around it. And no need to render it a couple more times, because if you render it again, the chance of having it in the folder, it's not 100%. I mean, I've been having times when I render it a few times, maybe 3, 4, 5, and it's still not there. So what I found is that when it opens it, you press play and then you right click, you have this menu, and in this menu you have a save video as, and you can save the video pretty quick and not having to render it again. But there is another thing, and that thing is when you open the folder, and if you try to copy this file inside the folder, it will tell you that there is actually something in that folder. But there is practically no way that I found that you can get this thing out of that folder. I can click replace, and it will start actually replacing the video. But I couldn't find a way to make that video shows in the folder. So, if any one of you know how to fix it, please let me know in the comment section below. If not, then you might try my cheat, and if it works, make sure to let me know by liking, comment and subscribe if you haven't. It will really help me out. I'm aiming for 1000 subscribers and I'm almost there. Thanks for tuning in guys, and see you next time. Bye bye.